Hey guys, welcome back to another Gautam video. In this video, I'm going to be turning on the Raspberry Pi and then going to complete the installation of the Raspberry Pi. So I've actually connected everything. I've connected my mouse and keyboard, connected a HDMI to my monitor, you can see, and I've connected the power. So I'm not plugged in the power yet, so I'm going to go ahead and turn it on, and so you can see NOOBS. So the Raspberry Pi is on, and you can see the Raspberry Pi is going up. Okay, now it's turning on. It finally loaded in. I don't know why it took that long, but it's finally downloaded. So here you can download the OS's. I'm just gonna download the Raspbian, and I'm gonna download the libnet. I'm not gonna be doing tutorials on that. I'm just gonna do tutorials on the Raspbian. So now we can click install, and it will install both of the OS's onto the SD card. Okay, that's yes. Okay guys, so now the files are being installed, and obviously this will take a long time, so I'm just gonna skip this. And so after it finishes, we'll be booted in to the Raspberry Pi, and I'll show you some of the stuff. It's done installing, so once it's done, it's just gonna say OS is installed successfully, so I'm just gonna click on OK. And now, since I selected two OS's, it's going to ask me every time I turn on my Raspberry Pi. For you guys, it's automatically gonna load into Raspbian, because you probably only selected Raspbian. I'm just gonna boot into Raspbian. It's loading in. It says, welcome to Raspberry Pi desktop. Okay, welcome, and I'm just gonna do these things. Next. Yes, select all this stuff. Next. Okay, I'm just gonna change my password to something else. You can change it if you want. So I've actually connected a Wi-Fi adapter so I can select the network. I'm just gonna skip this for now. I'm just gonna update. If you have internet, actually, how is it gonna update when I have no internet? Just gonna. Okay, I'm just gonna. Whatever. Okay, ready, and I'm just gonna reboot. Okay, just gonna move into Raspbian. And that's it, guys. So as you can see, the lesbian interface, I guess, might look like a normal computer, like a Windows or Mac. It looks pretty easy. You guys can mess around with the stuff in here, like you can try doing Scratch. But it's an older version of Scratch. You can try doing Python. And if you have internet, you can go on the internet. So guys, that's it for this video. Next week we'll learn more about the lesbian, and yeah. So guys, see you in the next video. Goodbye.